First, I will show you how to grow baby strawberries from the seeds of the fruit, along with bananas. After putting soil in the nursery pot, we cut the banana into small pieces and spread them evenly on the soil. Take the strawberry seeds out of the fruit and place them on each piece of banana. Then we cover it with a thin layer of soil and water it evenly. Then place the nursery pot in a cool place. Bananas are very good for plants. Bananas are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which helps stimulate root growth and increase plant resistance. While waiting for the plants to sprout, we prepared the planting material, and this time I used plastic cans. We cut the top of the plastic container to fit the strawberry planting. We used a heat gun to punch drainage holes in the plastic container to prevent the plants from being waterlogged. To keep the humidity stable for the plant, this time I will also use a plastic bottle and a towel to provide water to the plant at a stable level. And to prepare the soil for planting strawberries, I still use soil and worm castings, mixing them well to make the soil loose when planting. Worm castings are very effective, providing nutrients for plants, improving soil structure, having high antibacterial properties, and extending fertilization time. After planting the seedlings, remember to water them to keep them moist for growth. When the plant is 20 days old, we start fertilizing to provide enough nutrients and moisture for the plant to grow. And my choice is to use vermicompost to fertilize plants. Vermicompost has the effect of providing nutrients for plants, high antibacterial properties, and environmental protection. And to make the plants bloom more beautifully, I chose to mix some non-toxic, eco-friendly stimulants into the water and water each plant. When the mulberry tree is 35 days old, the tree has flowered and is ready to bear fruit. We need to increase nutrition, humidity, and stimulate the tree to produce more fruit. At this stage, we will add water to each plastic bottle to keep the humidity stable for the plant. And I use tangerine juice mixed with water and spray it evenly on each tree. Spraying tangerine juice on the tree helps increase the tree's resistance and growth. Tangerines contain nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, helping the tree to be healthier and fight against pathogens. It's amazing that our 2-month-old strawberry plant has given us so many fruits, and now we can harvest them for family and friends to enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.